Good morning students. Today we have maths lecture. We are learning fourth chapter linear equation in two variables. We are taking the practice example of this chapter. See today's first example. Find the value of k if the point 3, 4 is a solution of the equation 5x minus 2y equal to k. Find one more solution also. Now see what we have to do. We have to find the value of k if the order pair 3, 4 is the solution of the equation. As 3, 4 is the solution of the equation, 5x minus 2y is equal to k. Therefore, we have x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Now we have to put these values of x and y in the equation. 5, the value of x is 3 minus 2 into value of y is 4 is equal to k. That is 5 into 3, 15 minus 2 into 4, 8 is equal to k. 15 minus 8, that is 7 is equal to k. We get the value of k is equal to 7. Now we can write this equation as, therefore equation becomes, see what is the equation, 5x minus 2y is equal to, instead of k we can write 7. Now we have to find one more solution of this equation. Means take any value of x or y and find the value of another variable. You will get the solution of the equation, because such equation of a line have infinite number of solutions if we change the values of x and y. Now take any value to find another solution. Put x is equal to any simple value you can take. Put x is equal to 1. We can find the value of, put x is equal to 1. We can find the value of y. Write the equation 5x minus 2y is equal to 7. 5 into 1 minus 2y is equal to 7. 5 into 1, 5 minus 2y equal to 7. Take this 5 on the RHS. Minus 2y is equal to 7 minus 5. Minus 2y is equal to 2. 2 cancel. That is minus y is equal to 1, which implies y is equal to minus 1. This is the solution. Means if we take x is equal to 1, we get y is equal to minus 1. This is the another solution of the equation. Okay. Now take next example. Represent the following situation by linear equation. Means we have to form the linear equation from the situation. Age of father is 8 less than 5 times age of his son. Age of father is 8 less than 5 times age of his son. Who will be smaller? Son will be smaller. Anyone. And father will be greater. Let. We will suppose age of son is equal to x and age of father is equal to y. Now what is the situation? Age of father is, by given condition, age of father is y is equal to, age of father is 8 less than means we have to subtract the 8 less than 5 times age of his son. What is the age of son? X. What we have to do it? 5 times. And 8 less than means 5x minus 8. This is your linear equation in two variables. This we can write in proper form. 5x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0, or 5x minus y is equal to 8. 5x minus y is equal to 8. This is also the standard form of the equation. Now take third example. Find the value of k. Find k if x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 is solution of the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to k. Just like the first example, it is also simple. Find the value of k. We have to find the value of k. And the value of x is 3, value of y is equal to 2. Very simple example. 3x plus 4y is equal to k. 3 into the value of x is 3 plus 4 into the value of y is equal to 2 is equal to k. 3 into 3, 9 plus 8 is equal to k. 9 plus 8 means 17 is equal to k. The value of k is 17. See, so simple example. Question number 4. Express 2x upon 3 is equal to 5 minus y upon 6 in the form ax plus by is equal to c. So we have to express this equation in the standard form. What equation is given? 2x upon 3 is equal to 5 minus y upon 6. 2x upon 3 is equal to 5 minus y upon 6. First of all, solve RHS. 5 has no denominator, hence I have written 1. It is equal to cross multiplication 5 into 6 30 minus y into 1 y upon 1 into 6 6. It is equal to 2x upon 3. Okay. Then do again cross multiplication. 2x into 6 is equal to 3 into 30 minus y. See. 2x into 6, that is 12x, is equal to 3 into 30 minus y. You can take these 3 on the LHS, that is 12x upon 3 is equal to 30 minus y. 12x upon 3 means it is 4x is equal to 30 minus y. Now take this minus sign, minus y on the LHS, that is 4x plus y is equal to 30, which is the standard form of the linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now see fifth example. X is equal to 2s, y is equal to s is the solution of the equation 3x minus 5y minus 7 equal to 0. Find the value of s. 3x minus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0. We have x is equal to 2s and y is equal to s. Means instead of x we have to put 2s and instead of y we have to put s. 3 into 2s minus 5 into s is minus 7 is equal to 0. 3 into 2s, 3 into 2, 6s minus 5s minus 7 is equal to 0. 6s minus 5s, it is s minus 7 is equal to 0. That is s is equal to 7. The value of s is 7. Hence we can write the equation 3x minus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0. In the standard form it will be 3x minus 5y is equal to 7. This is your equation. Okay, today we will stop here.